Ashley is setting up her very first snake's enclosure. She's got everything she needs. This is an exciting time.
Do I need to like wash this out at all?
No, it's all right. Kova, I'm gonna need you to stop that licking. Thank you.
Is this gonna be a process? This is gonna be easy.
What is this?
I should have something.
Oh. Hi.
Oh my goodness, they're so cute.
It is. Oh, I actually just like wrapped up each individual little thing. This is super cute because it's a hide and a water dish at the same time. It's super cute. Pretty sure it's for geckos, but it's gonna work for a very tiny little snake. And those. And oh, jeez, trapped. Okay, little hidey hole thing.
So this has a suction cup.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Sticks. Alright.
Oh, this is gonna look sweet.
Yes. Let's take a better look at
It'll
this little
look cooler
baby.
with the substrate too.
Yeah.
Right now it'll just be paper towels.
Right. Oh, let's get some light on. Oh, yeah. Stunning. What did you name him again? Her? Him? Him.
Him, Sherbert.
Sherbert. It's a good one. Welcome home, Sherbert. Welcome home. Aww.
Are you excited? Do you see me making your house? Your new house? Is it okay for it to be folding on the edge like that?
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, he may go up under it, but he's likely to go up under it anyway.
I could go this way too. Let's just do these one at a time. Make it all nice and pretty for you, Sherbert. I know you're picky. You're just a little different.
Look at you. You're so cute. Just sitting there watching Mom. Oh, I distracted you. I distracted you?
He's like,
Huh?
What is all this shit? This
Yeah,
cool?
that's all you. That's all your stuff. That's all for you.
Okay, I don't even know where to start. Okay, you tell me what the first thing I should put in is.
Well, you want to play around with your sticks and see where you would want them to be. And maybe put your hides in first and then work your sticks around the hides.
Okay. Let's see, and I need another water dish.
Yeah, just
Tupperware.
yeah, find a little Tupperware somewhere which we can find in a minute. Just for on the other side, a little closer. It's a big space, so I want to be able to. In case anybody is wondering, Ashley's first snake is, of course, the only snake in her house, except it is still needing to be in a quarantine-like setup, just in case the cutie has mites. We will be able to spot those mites on the paper towels. After a little while, when we confirm that there are no mites on this little cutie here, then we can move off to the substrate that we got for him. For now, it's a very simple paper setup.
Let's see. Should these be on opposite sides, like one that's
hides? Yeah, you want one.
Yeah.
You want one that's on the warm side,
Uh-huh.
and then one that's on the cool side.
Should the warm side also be where the stick is?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You're gonna have
matter.
multiple different things. You have these things too that you're gonna put on. You can put it on both sides. the stick
Is this
stuff.
far enough away from that, or should I swap those?
Is it the hide?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to get it as far off to that because that's where most of the heat's gonna be. It's gonna be off in that corner.
I think it'll be over here, right?
Oh yeah, you're gonna put the heat on this side.
Yeah, that's
okay.
what I'm thinking.
Well, yeah. Either way, then that's fine. Wherever you put that skull is fine over there, as long as it can get away from the hot side when it needs it.
Okay, let's see. Is all that wood gonna fit in here? Is that gonna be too much stuff?
No, with this much space and such a tiny little snake, you definitely want to give it as much like coverage and as you can. This tube is going to be really nice going along the back, maybe.
Oh yeah, that
or
needs
even
to
like
go probably flat, right?
yeah. I mean, I don't know how you could probably get it elevated, but she wouldn't be able to like stay in there. There's nothing to grip onto, or he wouldn't. Good. Oh fuck yeah! If I was
And
a
I'll
snake.
have one more little water dish over here.
Yep.
In first, and then if I can fit this like.
Mm.
Oh, let's see. Oh, propped up on that probably. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah, with the snake that small, it's not gonna move it.
That's like a lot of. That's a lot of little climbing,
Yeah.
baby. Okay. Let's see.
This is what happens when a graphic designer decides to make up a snake enclosure. Just pure perfection. Look at this. Look at this perfect little first time snake enclosure. They be killing it. Just gotta get a second water dish and it's all good for the home baby.
I feel that one pretty tall. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay. Remember, I'm starting from knowing zero.
I know.
Things about snakes.
It's cool. This is a good snake to know zero about in the beginning because it's very easy to learn about them.
I know, Lola, you're very
curious. Learning about them.
Use her a little bit.
We have to go back out because we got the heating pad, which is great, but I failed to remember about the thermostat. So now that we've left, we didn't get it, and we have to go back to a store and get a thermostat. So for now, he's gonna sit in there peacefully, but everything is done. We'll get that thermostat, and then he will be good to go. Good job on your first enclosure, Ashley. How do you feel about it?
Good. Once I figure out how to like open and close it properly.
Oh, that's upside down. That's upside down. Nope, that's upside down. That's upside down. There you go. Try again. Yep. 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 There you go.
Oh.
Perfection.
Okay.
Did it. Did it.
Okay. That's not going anywhere.
Nope. Not unless you pull it. It's good. It's good.
You know what? There was a little.
Ashley's everybody is gonna freak when she tells them that she's got a snake because Ashley getting a snake, this is some miraculous stuff. Extra security. Somebody is not trying to lose their first snake for sure.
No, they're not.
All right.
I mean, you know the cats are going to be up here curious.
It's true. It's true. So, there you are. Ashley's first snake is home and ready to go. Alright, wrapping this video up. This is Tavia's World of Reptiles.
Turtle's clawing underneath it.
Cat. What is it? What is it, Lola? What is that thing? I don't know. This is Tavian's World of Reptiles. Check it out. You guys take care. Love yourselves. Love your loved ones. Love your reptiles. And you guys keep spreading those herbs.